Good morning, guys. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Martha, and I want to welcome you to my channel. I have a video for you today on a Christmas craft. I have a few Christmas crafts coming up, and I wanted to get them up hopefully in the month of November. I'm going to be doing some crafts and also some decorating videos, maybe some cooking videos and other videos, but I really wanted to get the Christmas ones up early because in case you wanted to make it, it would give you time to go and buy the stuff that you need and make it for yourself. I want to welcome you to my channel. I have had some subscribers lately and I want to welcome you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope that you continue to enjoy my videos, and if you're back from before, well, I want to thank you so much for your continued support. It really means a lot. Anyway, I did go away for the weekend and it was a lot of fun. It was beautiful in Mount Dora, and I'm so sorry to say that they did not let me video in the haunted houses at SeaWorld, so I wasn't able to get any footage of that, but I might be able to put a video together on Mount Dora and a couple of the scenes from SeaWorld where it wasn't in the haunted houses. I was able to do that, and I will be sharing that with you. I think that's about it. I am going to show you this cute little craft that I made with Dollar Tree items, except for one thing. Everything else was Dollar Tree items. I think it's really cute and it was fun. So I hope that you enjoy it. If you're not subscribed yet, well, I hope that you will press the subscribe button and come on and join in. I would love to have you be part of my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take good care. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye. Okay, so I'm going to use this Cobblestone Corners cute little miniature set, this beautiful pink tea light holder, this mop head, which is everything is from Dollar Tree, you guys, except one item. I'll tell you which one. These mini LED lights. I'm also using this really pretty tree in pink and white. It's like an ombre effect. I'm using this rectangular piece of wood, and this here is the only item that is not from Dollar Tree. I'm sure you can find something really similar. And also I found this from Cobblestone Corners as well, 3 mini Christmas trees. I'm only using one of these bows. I have these little wreaths from a previous year, some Jenga blocks, and that's it. Let's get started. So I'm going to use the mop head and I'm going to cover the piece of wood with the mop head. I want that to look like a really cold day with lots of snow. So I'm going to cut it to size and then I'm going to hot glue it to the piece of wood. I'm also going to add hot glue to all sides of the wood because I want to bring the cloth to cover all sides. I don't want any of the wood to show. Next, I'm going to start working with the Jenga blocks. I'm going to open up the cloth and I'm going to hot glue a piece of Jenga block wherever I'm planning to add a decor piece for my little scene here. The Jenga blocks are not going to show because there's so much snow there that it's just not going to show. So we're going to hot glue the decors to the piece of wood. After I finished hot gluing the Jenga blocks wherever I want a decor, I will start decorating my Christmas scene. I'm going to start out by hot gluing the larger tree, and then I'll move on to the small trees, which are so cute because they have like a little peppermint candy in the bottom. It's looking so cold and wintry already. I just love it. The little cobblestone corner set came with 2 streetlights and a little bench. I'm going to start hot gluing those next. This little red truck, which I found at the Coca-Cola Museum in Georgia, is carrying a little Christmas tree and a box filled of Coca-Cola bottles. It's an ornament for a Christmas tree, but I just removed the little hook and I'm using it for this beautiful little Christmas scene. Next, I'm going to hot glue the little wreath to the front of the scene. And I also am going to glue a little beautifully wrapped present in red and gold, and I'm gonna hot glue that in there as well. A beautiful red sparkling bow is going on top of the large tree. Then I'm going to hot glue the beautiful pink tea light holder to the bottom of the scene. I'm going to make my scene sparkle and shine and come to life by adding a little bit of Mod Podge with some glitter to all the snow, and I'm going to add the LED lights to the scene as well. I'm going to hot glue the battery pack to the bottom of the piece of wood, and then I will add the lights all over the trees and the snow. And here it is, you guys. Isn't that cute? It's so wintry and cold, and I love the pink Christmas trees, don't you? It's so sparkly. I just love it. You will see me using this as part of my Christmas decor. I've got a lot of more wonderful ideas for Christmas crafts, all Dollar Tree items. I've got some wreaths coming up. I hope that you will join me for all the fun. I love Christmas. It's my favorite season of the year. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. I'll show you here on the table how it came out with the lights on and off, and on my little kitchen shelf as well. I'll see you soon. Take good care. Goodbye.